Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Uber ride not starting. So let's just get straight into the video. There could be a bunch of different reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first could be app and technical issues. So try to force quit your app and then reopen it. If that doesn't work, try to power your phone off because it can fix frozen app issues. The third thing you want to try to do is check if there are any updates available. Open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for Uber just like that. And once you've done that, click on the application and click on update if there are any updates available. The other thing could be because of your location and connection issue. So ensure that your location services are set to high accuracy or precise location. So in order to do that, simply go ahead and open your settings application, and then you want to simply go down all the way to apps and then look for Uber. Once you've done that, click on location and make sure this is set to always. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.